dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey. It is Friday morning, 5:10 a.m., leaving a little bit late. I wanted to give you my first review of the Nut Pods Creamer. However, I wanted to give you the first review of the Nut Pods Creamer. However, I'm running late, so it's gonna have to be in the car. I really hope that you can see me well enough. So, I've been reusing this Starbucks cup, and I just dumped in some cold brew coffee, and I did 4 tablespoons of the caramel nut pod and some pumpkin skinny syrup. Here we go. I only did like a very small, like, bloop of the pumpkin syrup too, so to be able to say that my coffee is very, it is sweet. I can taste the caramel. I actually don't even taste the pumpkin. Because that's how little I put in there. Interesting. I will talk more about that later when I can go over the ingredients and the serving size, you know, proteins, fats, carbs, everything like that. I'll go over, but it's basically almond milk and coconut milk, and it's a creamer, and it's really good. I know they have a pumpkin spice. They have all kinds of flavors, but those are the 4 that they sent me. And caramel obviously was my first go-to. I almost did French vanilla, but I'm excited about these and trying all of the flavors. And they actually, I don't know how much they retail for or even where they sell them, because I've never seen them before. I'm gonna have to use a store locator and see where I can find them and see how much they are, because I have just resorted to using almond milk, and if I could get a flavored one for my coffees, that would be nice. I would use less syrup, which is good, you know, just because the sweetener doesn't affect me doesn't mean that I want to pump myself full of it. You know what I mean? So, we'll talk more about this later. Okay. I left my glasses in the lab, so I better. This is that crazy coupe that parked all crazy next to me. Yep, she don't know how to park. She is not in a parking spot. Like, woman, I don't know if you should be driving if you can't see the lines to park in. But it was difficult to get into my parking spot because of her. Anywho, yeah. I suppose I could put my sunglasses on. I actually put a little bit of makeup on today. Not the best, because I keep sleeping in and only giving myself 10 minutes to get ready and leave the house. But I threw it on, and that's got to count for something, right? Today is a better day emotionally. I have like mild cramps today and a little bit of heartburn, and I have to wonder if my heartburn was from the onions and the green peppers. But would I be going on 2 days worth from it? I don't know. I did, I was craving them. Like, I wanted them. I wanted some onion and green peppers. Like, I needed that. And actually, it still sounds really good. Oh, I seasoned them up real nice with the steak seasoning. They were delicious. Getting warm. So I don't know. Can that give you heartburn for that long, do you think? I don't know. I want to thank you guys for being so kind to me in the comment section on yesterday's video. It does mean a lot to me when you guys talk to me and listen to me. You guys listen to me all the time, you know, you listen to my complaints, you listen to everything. And when you guys tell me that I inspire you, it's still something that doesn't always sit, like, it's hard for me to understand that I inspire somebody. So I want to say thank you for that, and you guys are the ones that give me inspiration. You really are. I love listening to your guys' stories and listening to you guys, like, your struggles, so I can try to help you. Like, I love doing that. I love being your ear, your person to talk to, because we all don't have somebody to talk to. What I picked up from the store, I'm not gonna eat 2 Quest bars, but they had Quest bars for 2 for $4, so I got 2. I got the cinnamon roll and the cookies and cream. I love Quest bars. There's so many people that really don't, but I do. I love their taste, their texture. I love Quest bars. Then I got some Black Forest Applegate ham. There's 3 servings in this container, so I'm probably gonna eat the whole thing. And then I got this Boar's Head mild cheddar cheese. This is 2 slices, is 10 grams of fat and 7 protein. Now there's about 8 servings in this. I'm obviously not gonna eat this whole thing of cheese, but it looks really yummy, and I kind of just want to give it a try right now. It's very good. This is very good cheese. So I'm gonna eat that with my ham, and probably have a Quest bar and just watch some YouTube. I'll see you guys. Hey guys, it's time to announce the winner of the Lollis $30 digital gift card giveaway. I will never do a giveaway that lasts this long again. I am super, super sorry. So, all right. So, here you can see I can pick number of winners. I have 1. Hope you can see this. And I'm going to click start giveaway. Who's it gonna be? And we have a winner. Who is it? Amanda Meek. Congratulations, Amanda Meek. You're the winner of the $30 Lollis digital gift card. Please contact me within 24 hours to claim your prize. Bye guys, stay tuned, because there's gonna be like 3 more giveaways, and they're gonna be awesome ones. Cut the Carb, Keto Chow, and what was the other one? High Key Snacks. That's right. See you guys in the next one. What's for dinner, you might ask? Maybe I should not have my bras in the background. What's for dinner, you might ask? Well, an unwitch. Turkey, BLT, and a Diet Coke. That's it. I'm ending the vlog. I got all the videos in the world to edit, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, holy cow. All right, so I knew Built Bar was sending me some stuff to review. I had no idea that they were gonna send me this much stuff to review. They sent me a gigantic box of mixed Built Bars. 15 grams protein, 110 calories, 6 grams of fiber, and 5 net carbs. So I do have my own discount code. I will put right here on the screen if you guys want to try Built Bars. But I've been seeing people have Built Bars all over, and I've been looking and looking and looking at the stores, and I can't ever find them anywhere. So when they told me that they were gonna send me some, I was so excited. So these are the flavors that are in my mixed. So there's the chocolate. My God, they feel like a candy bar in here. Caramel. Orange chocolate, mocha chocolate cream. Wow, you guys. Oh, banana chocolate. Oh my God. Coconut chocolate. Vanilla. Oh my gosh. Raspberry chocolate. Mint brownie. Wow. Wow. So I got 2 of each flavor. Wow. I had literally no idea that they were going to send me this one. I'm thinking they're going to send me like 5. So this is amazing. I don't even know what one to start at. Where do I start? It looks like they all have 4 grams of fat. And their protein is all 15. Calories are all the same for all the flavors. Everything is the same for all the flavors, it looks like. The ingredients: protein mix, partially hydrolyzed whey protein, isolate, gelatin, dark chocolate, water, salt, erythritol, glycerin, maltodextrin, natural flavor, and citric acid. They are made in a peanut and tree nut-free facility. It does contain milk. It does have maltodextrin. Now, it is basically at the end, so that means it's not a lot, but be aware it does have maltodextrin. So if that is something that you are totally against having, then these probably wouldn't be for you. If you're all right enjoying something once in a while and a little bit of maltodextrin isn't going to bother you, then these may be for you. I'm going to try one, but I don't know which one to try. Actually, that's a lie. I know. Banana chocolate cream. I absolutely love bananas. So to have something that may remotely taste like a banana cream pudding, anything like that is very, very, very exciting. I just got home from work. I haven't even eaten dinner, but I need this in my life. I'm trying this. So this is what it looks like. That reminds me of something. That texture reminds me of when you get a big box of chocolates and they're those cream filled ones. Some of them are thicker. You see that? Mmm. Mmm. It's like a fluffy taffy. And it does taste like banana cream. I love that taste. This is so good. It's such like a soft, like taffy. This is delicious. Wow. I would love to sit here and eat this entire thing of them and tell you how all of them taste. Unfortunately, that is probably not the best idea. But, oh my Lord, look at them. Let's take a thumbnail. Yeah, I'm silly. Anyways, you guys, holy cow. I can't wait. The next one I'm gonna try is the coconut. You know your girl gonna try coconut, because if it tastes like an Almond Joy or anything like that, a Mounds, They came really nice too if you order it online. So it came in this nice insulated packaging, and it did have an ice pack, which is, it's not frozen anymore, but it's not hot. Like the water, it's still a little cold. So that was nice. And then it has some, so if you follow them on Facebook or Instagram and you post a picture with a Built Bar and tag I'm Built, you get 10% off your next order. You just message them for the code. And if you follow them on Facebook or Instagram and you post a video or story with a Built Bar and tag I'm Built to get 20% off your next order, message them for the code. So that's a little heads up to you guys if you're looking to get a discount. I also have my discount, but if you're looking to get an additional discount, or if you don't like me and you don't want to use my code, and you can use these too. So but yeah, you guys, holy cow, these are good. I like that. I like that taste. That was everything. I love taffies, like Laffy Taffies. Now, you may not think that they have, it's kind of like a marshmallowy, taffy-like consistency, I guess you could say. I don't know, but I love it. I think it's the bomb. I think it's the bomb. I think you guys should try them, definitely. At least, hey, you never know if you like something if you don't try it, am I right? If you are interested, I will leave their website down below and all their socials, and check them out, guys. Until the next one.